Another day, another story. 5. Create custom products. While the options above come bundled with the convenience of not holding on to expensive inventory, they also come with some limitations, mainly that you don't have full control over the product you're selling. And when you think of most direct-to-consumer brands, this is what comes to mind: original products that make meaningful improvements or add interesting details to well-known items. Personally, I've purchased many messenger bags, but I'd never seen anything like the one made by Vermelia Pelle until it reached my doorstep. Making products by hand is popular among jewelry brands, fashion brands, and home decor brands. It gives you full control over the product development and quality of your items. The only drawbacks are: it can be time-consuming. It's difficult to scale. The costs associated with making products by hand are the cost of materials, storing your finished products, and labor. Startup time: a few hours to set up your e-commerce platform, followed by however long it takes to create your custom products. Effort to start: medium, but it takes a lot of effort to maintain. Time to first payment: the pay period using Shopify payments is 5 days, plus the number of days remaining until your payout day. What to know? Sellers must collect the state tax where their item is delivered to. Make sure to factor in your packaging costs when pricing your items. You can set up a Shopify store and use it for free for 14 days. Requirements: most e-commerce platforms require that you're at least 18 years of age. If you're under the age of 18, your parents can start one on your behalf. Requirements vary by state, but you need to have licenses or permits to sell anything online.